Hi guys, I found a new way to book an appointment. So let's scan this QR code. Okay, so let me send a hi message. So it's already in hi. Just send a hi. Okay, so welcome to Nothing Apps and select language to continue. So just select English and send. So now use this form to fill the details. So I just click enter. So my name. So I'm entering my name Prasad and date. So I'm going to choose that appointment date. So this is 11, right? So the tomorrow's date. So choose a time. So I'm choosing the time. So three slots available. So I'm going to choose the 15 3:30. I mean 15:30 to 16. So evening. So I just click continue. Okay, so the payment details. So I just select. So I just click the pay online. So pay direct is also available. So I just click pay online. So send. So this is a appointment details, names, date and time. So just click confirm. So because you can see confirm in 5 minutes, so it will be cancelled automatically. So I just confirm. So use below button to go to the payment. So I just click pay. So it's opening $1 pay. Payment is processing. So you can see the meanwhile I got one message. This site is trying to open another application. So I just click allow. So you can see the appointment has been confirmed because I made a payment. So you guys see, like I'm showing my screen. So this is a dashboard for confirming the appointment in the WhatsApp. So you can able to see we booked the appointment in tomorrow's date. So I just go to the Friday and you can see the time 15:13 to 16. The name and the phone number which I used to book that appointment, and you can see the date, time and the payment method. As admin, you can able to configure all of the appointment details in the dashboard. See what are the configuration they can do it in the dashboard. So just select the existing one. As admin, so you can able to choose the unavailable date. So if you choose any of the date in this section, like let's say like I'm going to choose that 25th, right? So that will appear here, the maximum date. So this represent, so what is that maximum date appointment can happen, like a user can book till 30 or till this year. So you can able to choose it from here, this one, and the time duration. So we keep the time duration at 30 minutes for each user. So if you want 10 minutes, you can able to configure it. So if you configure it, then that time slot will be arranged based on this one. So previously it's arranged based on that 30 minutes, right? I mean 30 minutes selection, but furtherly it will arrange based on the 10 minutes order. And this is a availability you can able to like configure it. For example, in Wednesday, so you can see the available time slot is 9 to 10. If you want to evening like say like 15, I mean what I'm meaning is 15 3 o'clock, evening 3 o'clock to 16, right? So you can add it here. So it should work perfectly. It has been more than 3 years, guys, since we started working on the WhatsApp Cloud API automation, integration, consultation. So if you want any kind of project, so just go to the about page and you can see this is a email, developer@nothingapps.com. So make sure this is .com, not the .net, and send your requirement to this email. And that's all, guys, and thank you so much.